Kennedy, I'm tired. It's still, no, technically it's Thursday, but I can almost sleep. I don't want to work. I need to do work. I need to sleep. Oh, I'm so unhappy. I have to go to school tomorrow. Because if I don't, my history teacher's gonna get suspicious that I skipped school so I wouldn't have to do my thing. But I just wanna sleep and I'm still not feeling good because my stomach bug, I thought it was gone, but it came back. My life is hard and I'm sad. I don't know why I'm making a video about it either. I just need someone to mope to, even though you won't get this till later. I feel better sending it to you. I'm not even under the covers. I'm curled up on the side of my bed in a SpongeBob blanket. On my body pillow. I love my body pillow. I curl up with it and sleep with it. I sleep. I just thought I'd let you know that I'm a tired person.